Determine the location of the installation and make sure to clean the surface. Tear off the adhesive backing of the lock base. Apply the matching parts on the lock base to the refrigerator door. Tear off the adhesive backing of the lock body. Complete connection. The adhesive will take effect after 48 hours.
Operating instructions.
Press the buttons on both sides to unlock. The lock will be locked automatically while closing the refrigerator door. Press the deadbolt on both sides of the lock. Then press and push the button on the lock body to switch to normal open mode. Press and push the button of the lock body to switch to locking mode.